My name is Fanny Tang and I'm from Hong Kong. And then you can see these are my works, and then to choose these color like kind of pinky. It's related to a dream-like environment, or I like the colorful coral reefs, the lots of color underwater, which makes me happy, and then bring my happiness to other people. I realized that underwater world, coral reefs, the seascape, it's almost the same, like similar as our landscape environment. So we have sea mushroom, and then also on the land they also have mushrooms. Yeah, and then I can be a puffer fish, like swimming in the ocean and searching for freedom. But now I also working on the black and white series because of the global warming, and also pollution kills all the coral reefs. And then coral reefs die, and then they only have white bone coral. So also I want to give this message to human beings, just take care of our ocean. I'm a Buddhist. I also write the Heart Sutra scripts on my painting, and then while I write it, and then I also meditate as well, and then it's kind of like to calm myself when I do my artwork. Yeah. During the past art walk, I really enjoy talking to art lovers and people who visit me. And I know more Richmond local artists since the event, and they came to my studio and then they say, oh, we would love to have more these type of art events in Richmond, because most of the art events they in West Vancouver, or they have it in East Vancouver, but not really Richmond like 10 years ago. Yeah. So I really hope that more and more local Richmond artists can join us.